Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm looking at the Magsafe Charger from Apple. It's to go with my new iPhone 12 Pro Max to see if it's any good. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. Well, along the way of buying my new phone, I decided to get myself one of these mag chargers. Don't get me wrong, I quite like the design of it. It's a very simple one. So in this little bit of footage I've done now, this is me testing it out. This is how your Magsafe comes in a small box. This is your Magsafe. Very simple, nice bit of aluminium, good quality. And this is a battery which, basically speaking, it just sticks to it and you get instant charge. Get a nice USB-C just to plug it into most things. Right then, let's see if this works. We'll plug the USB in and it's just a matter of placing it on the top. Nothing. This is definitely not charging. It's not even recognised there's a charge on it. Just in case, take the cover off. Remember, this is a cover from Apple, specially designed. Let's try it again. Nothing at all. There's no life in that at all. So this really doesn't work very well. Just to prove the point that it's the device, take it off. Now we'll connect this in with the USB cable. Plug it in. Straight away it's charging. Well, there you go guys. It's as simple as that, wasn't it? It don't work. So the question I'm asking myself is why this doesn't work. Is there a problem with the cable, or it just doesn't stick properly, or whatever? I'm not really sure. But this cost 39 quid. Now, it's not just buying this, because this ain't no good to you without one of these, which is going to set you back 20 quid. Now, this is a 20-volt charger. It's supposed to be fast. Well, let's say it should be fast, but obviously they're not up to it. So as you see, from my point of view, out of 10, for quality, and looking at this, it's going to be a 10. But because it doesn't work, it's a 0. And so my full conclusion is do you need one? No, don't bother. Just get yourself a cable, which comes with the phone anyway, and a block. And most of you've got a standard block for a Samsung or whatever it is floating around in the house. And just plug it into that with a USB lead. Not a problem. So phone, straight into the block, end of. And like for me, and like probably a lot of you guys out there, the same principle is, for years you've been using a cable and a block. So what's the difference? I know it's quite fancy laying some on it, but the only problem with a magnet is it sticks and you are trying to get it off all the time, and there's no sliding. You can't slide it easy, so it's not really practical. So if you're going to go onto Amazon, buy one, you could buy chargers on there which are very similar to this but got no magnets, and they actually do the job. I'm not going to purchase one because I'm quite happy. Everything I've got in the house has got a cable on it and you have to plug it in. So I'm old school, so I'm going to stick to the old plugging in bit, and I'm happy days. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and please share. I'm going to be doing a few more videos on the iPhone 12 Pro Max just to show you how I'm getting on with it and whether I actually really like it or not. And at the very end of my series, I'm going to do the full review on it, what I really think about it and whether it should be binned or kept. Anyway, we'll see you again very shortly. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!